It's Wendy from Witchcrafting. I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator. I'm having rather a lot of problems with the light today. It's sunny and it's cloudy, and if it goes like that, then I will stop. I got my Satica through today, and I'm very excited. So all I've done is open the box and had a quick peep, not fully, do you know what I mean? Just go, ooh, and that's it. The first thing that fell out of riddles and catalogues with these. Now, I bought these because they're three different sizes. Because sometimes, you don't want all big ones or all little ones, but you could put a big one, little, you could put in sending order or whatever you wish. So these are beautiful. And they'll go with all of the stuff I've got. Ooh, dear. Now then, stamps. You know me, I'm a stamper. Right, we do this one to the website now. Right, I got this one, Nature's Harvest. And I bought this because not only do I like that bit that you can put behind, stamp that first, then put that in front of it, if you know what I mean. On top of it, rather. And it's got some beautiful sayings. When you're reminded to never forget how much you mean to me and so many others. I think that's beautiful, isn't it? And then it's sending healing thoughts. May nature be to bring peace to your soul. Thank you. And love the fonts. The fonts are getting different all the time now with Stampin' Up. It's going to be a bit of my cold coffee. So that's Nature's Harvest. Ooh, Heavenly Hollyhocks. There you see, it's got funny now again, hasn't it? It's Chase the Sun time. Yes, Heavenly Hollyhocks. I love these, and it's a two. Is this two-step stamping or not? I don't think it is. Oh, never mind. It's unusual to have the petals. With that sort of markings on. So that could be quite fun. I'm looking forward to doing something with that one. Well, I wouldn't buy it if I wasn't, would I? Right, this one is called Treasured Kindness. Now, I like doing scenery stamping, and saw this. The first thing that jumped out at me was these. And I thought, they look like little clouds, don't they? So I thought, right, I'll do that. And then there's the sun and all the other bits and pieces. Always here for you. Your kindness is treasure in my heart. That's gorgeous. That's gorgeous, isn't it? You are wonderful every day. Good friends are forever. They sure are. They're hard to find, and when you do, you grab them with both hands and you don't let go. Oh, happiness abound. No, I won't show you that one yet. This one, Nature's Prince. There is a paper that goes with that, and for the life of me, I can't find it this afternoon. I've looked everywhere, but it's nowhere in sight. So, but I like this fern. That's beautiful. And obviously, there's another fern there. So there's quite a bit of playing room in this one. You're on my mind. Hello there. Heartfelt thank you, best wishes and happy thoughts, which is lovely. Really nice stamp that is. Oh, and it's black rubber one. You just press this with it. I don't know whether I put you on. Oh, I hope it didn't go all horrible with me. Never mind. Right, happiness abounds. Now that one is a part of. Oops. Right. Look at that in our body full. Now this one is called Hues of Happiness. Now if I could find a catalogue, it was here in the rock. Oh, there we go. Now then, You look at this. Here we are, see, look. And that is on. If I look at the index, that might help, mightn't it? What does it call it? Oh, happiness. Happiness. Right, happiness about page 109. Why was I looking at the beginning of the catalogue for? I don't know. Right. Oh dear. Right, 109. Here we go. Now, there's the stamp which I showed you a minute ago. Here's the stamp, and then these are the papers that go with it. And have I got that one as well? I don't know what that one is. I'll have to open that one later. I can't get... Isn't it typical when you want to do something, nothing you want is where you want it? Everything is either the other side of the room or just non-existent. Now, what I'm going to do with this set, I'm going to do the same as I do every time I get a sweet. I make a little board with them. But I'll just show you these very quickly. That one, right, 2 at a time. So I'll show you. That's one side. Oh, they're pretty, isn't it? Oh, yes. Yes, that's lovely. Oh, look at that. Oh, it's all different colours. Wow, that is pretty. And, oh, and the other side is that. Isn't that beautiful? You got that. And that. Oh, I've got some more ideas on that now as well. You see, when I'm talking to you and doing it like that, then all these ideas come to mind. Right, that's the extra. I like it. I like it a lot. These are the colours again, you see, on... I think that's navy, but don't hold me to it, as they say. Right. Let's get more organised. Right, we've got this one. Oh, they're so beautiful, aren't they? The trouble is, you get the... Oh, look, there we go. There's another one. Is you get these papers and they're so lovely that you don't want to cut them out. So, oh, look, purpley. Not sure about that one. Not sure about that one, but we will have a go with it, won't we? And then, oh, it would be much easier if I showed you these in the cat. Yes, it's exactly what I've got. So I've take a breath, Wendy. Now then, what are these? Ah, Blossom Happy. Is it? Yeah, these are the dies that goes with... Sorry. These are the dies that go with this and that. So I bought the sweet, and the sweet was £65.50, and you get everything in it, you know, one of everything, which is brilliant. Right, and then here we go. Ooh. Yes, ooh, yeah. Oh, sorry. I go quiet when I'm thinking. So there's that one, and that one will go with this set here, which would be very nice, wouldn't it? And if I'm right, I'm not very often right, but yes, I think they cut them out. Yeah, look at that. You'll cut that out, and hopefully, rid of the big ones. Oh, it's that way round, you silly moo, Wendy. Yeah, with this one, you've got to give it a bit of a wiggle, but I think that it will cut it out. Yeah, there you go. There we go. It'll cut all these big ones out. And then I'm hoping then that, well, what should happen is we should be able to cut the little ones out as well. This one. Yeah, look. There we go with that one. Brilliant. Then we've got the very little ones, which I can't see a very little one on here. But, yeah, so it's a wonderful set. Sweet. If you'd like a catalogue, then please personally message me, and I will get one sent out to you. And it would be lovely to have you as one of my customers, because I do give some very good thank you gifts. So there we are. That's all my stuff, my delivery today. And I'm going to watch this back because I think I made a mess of it. Okay, if I haven't, then I'll see you later. Bye.